Hi there, I wanted to show you my latest floral textures that you can drag and drop in Evoto. You can of course use these in any other program, whether it's Photoshop or Lightroom or whatever you're using. I like to use them in Evoto because I think it's just super simple. So here's an image, there's a before, there's an after. So for example, we take this image and all you do is go over to the background changers, and you hit plus, and then you can just load up whatever. There's 100 of these, so whether you want to load them one at a time or all at once. When you click it, don't freak out because it's going to look terrible. So what you want to do is come over here, and I usually do subject related objects and non-related objects. Then I come over here and I make it center alignment, and then just increase the size. And then you want to take the opacity way down until it seems right. Now you can move it. You can move the size bigger or smaller. You can move it up or down. However you want to do it. I usually put in retaining shadows, and you can take the shadows down if you think they're a bit much. And that's it. So you can see there's the before and after. Here's another one before and after. Here's another one before and after. And there's a bunch of images that I've done that just add some subtleties. And it doesn't have to just be newborn. It can be maternity as well. There's one that I did with maternity. So if I come here and I just crop this a little bit, it's not fully edited. So let me pick one that's edited. I'll come here. And actually for this one, I kind of want to go up a little bit. But so then I can come in here, go to my backdrop changer. And I have this one that I really like. Then I'm going to come back, take that opacity way down, take off the stretch, increase the size, and there you go. You just have this nice subtle background. You can put it wherever you want, and there you go. And so I really like these because I feel like it just kind of gives that little pop to my images when I need it. And there's 100 different textures. I kind of went down the rabbit hole with these. So I hope you enjoyed them and find them easy to use. I would love to be tagged if you do use them. I hope you enjoy.